Hi, I'm Michelle Phillips of Codefetti, and in this tutorial we're going to look at how to add a border to an image in WordPress. It used to be simple to do prior to WordPress 3.9, but for some reason that functionality was removed and left a lot of us wondering how to do it. So this tutorial will show you what you need to know. First, you'll need to be able to add some custom CSS to your WordPress theme. If you're not a developer, this might seem a bit difficult, but trust me, it's really not. In this example, I've created a style called Border Black. It's a simple 1-pixel black solid border. This is a style I'm going to want to apply to my images. So, in order to add custom CSS to WordPress, there's a couple of ways you can do it, and this tutorial is going to look at 3 ways. We're going to look at using Jetpack. We're going to look at using your theme options. And finally, we're going to look at installing a simple custom CSS plugin. So in our first example, we're going to use Jetpack. Before I show you this, though, you need to know that you have to have a WordPress.com account set up. You need to have the Jetpack plugin installed in your WordPress site, and that Jetpack needs to be connected to your WordPress.com account. If you don't have Jetpack installed and you don't want to go through all this, then you can use examples 2 or 3 to add your custom CSS. But for those of you that want to use Jetpack, here's what you need to know. Go to Jetpack Settings, click on Appearance, Edit CSS, and then activate Custom CSS in the dashboard. We'll go live now so I can show you how to do this. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Jetpack Settings, and then just make sure that you activate the Custom CSS option. Once it's activated, you can go to the Appearance menu, Edit CSS, and you have a style sheet that you can add your custom code to. Simply add your style and save your style sheet. So that's it. 3 simple steps to use Jetpack. Go to Jetpack Settings, click on Appearance, Edit CSS, and then activate the custom CSS in the dashboard. The next example I want to show you is how you can use your theme options. Many themes have a spot in their options panel that will allow you to add custom CSS. Some themes, it's found in their E panel. All you need to do is log into your dashboard, go to Appearance, find your theme options, and then look for the custom CSS area in ePanel. Let's go live and I'll show you how that's done. We're back in the dashboard. I'm going to go to Appearance. I'm using the Vertex theme, so I'll go to Vertex Theme Options. And in ePanel, I'll scroll all the way down to the bottom where I have a custom CSS panel. Here's where I will put my style. Save it. And now I've added that custom CSS to my theme. So that's how you use your theme options. Simply go to Appearance, your theme options, look for the custom CSS area in the ePanel, and add your code there. A final simple way to do this is to install the simple custom CSS plugin. Make sure it's activated, click Settings, and then add your custom CSS. We'll go live and I'll show you how. You're going to want to come down to Plugins, Add New, search for Simple Custom CSS, click the Install Now, OK, to install the plugin. Then you want to activate the plugin. Once that's done, just go to Appearance, Custom CSS, and add your custom CSS. Click the Update Custom CSS button, and you're good to go. So we've looked at 3 simple ways to add custom CSS to your WordPress site. You can use Jetpack, you can use the theme options, and you can install the simple custom CSS plugin. Now, please be aware, I showed you all 3 of these ways. You only need to pick one of them in order to accomplish this task. So now that we've got our custom CSS added to our theme, let's go live again, and I'll show you how to apply that style to your image so that you can now have a border around your image. Here we have a new post. I've added an image, and now I want to add a border to this image. Click the image, click the little pencil to edit it, and then come down to the image CSS class. And all we need to do is put in the name of our new style. When we update this, the border will now appear around our image. So you see, it's not really that difficult to do. One last thing I want to show you is, let's say you wanted to make this border a little bit thicker. Very simple to do. Let's go back and we'll edit our CSS, and let's say we want to make this a 3-pixel border. I'll just make that change, save the style sheet, go back, reload that page, and you see that my border is now a little bit thicker. So there you go. That's how to add an image border in WordPress 3.9. I hope this has been helpful to you, and please feel free to leave any questions or comments. Thanks, and I hope to see you again soon.